Arizona is in the spotlight again with lots of news related to President Trump's agenda. In fact, state lawmakers hosted 2 members of the administration's team. Cronkite News reporter Arielle will join us with the U.S. Border Czar's speech at the Capitol today. But first, U.S. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy is here when Arielle Nelson has more on why the top health administrator is in the Southwest.
Kennedy held a press conference late this afternoon on his Make America Healthy Again tour. And it's something that state lawmakers are paying attention to. In fact, they voted on 2 bills right here that fit into this agenda just this morning. 2 bills passed out of the Senate earlier this morning. The bills in question are HB 2164, which prohibits ultra-processed foods from school lunches, and HB 2165, which prohibits people from purchasing soda with food stamps. HB 2164 passed with bipartisan support. However, HB 2165 passed 17-11, with plenty to say against and in support of the bill. Republicans argued that the bill is not overstepping any sort of freedom of choice and could benefit people who receive and use food stamps.
It's perfectly reasonable to tell people how to spend money when it's part of a welfare benefit, especially when the prohibition promotes their health welfare.
However, Democrats argued that the bill created classes of grocery shoppers and was too controlling.
This bill unfairly targets low-income individuals and families. It sends a message that they're incapable of making their own decisions. It singles out SNAP recipients for scrutiny and control in a way that we do not impose on other consumers.
While Republicans are understandably very excited about Kennedy's visit, Democrats just held a press conference with Chris Mays and several other state senators to speak to the public about the threats that they believe that the Trump administration and Kennedy have on Arizona and its access to health care. At the Arizona State Capitol, Arielle Nelson, Cronkite News.